Today, our world is full of technology. From the mundane to the extraordinary. But have you ever wondered how the machines and technology around us work? What makes gears turn and motors run? Well, you're about to get the chance to find out at the GCC Summer Robotics Academy. The Summer Robotics Academy here at GCC is a 2-week program designed to teach high school students the basics of robotic design and construction through hands-on experiential learning.
They learn a little bit about computer programming, they learn building of robots, so some principles of physics and design. They learn CAD, and they work in teams to construct their robots and compete them.
First, students learn how to create a design using the CAD program.
CAD stands for computer-aided design or computer-aided drafting. It is an engineering application, so designed for building parts and assemblies of kind of mechanical devices.
After designing the robot, each team will have to physically build their robot.
I like to build robots by using my imagination of where the claw is going to be, how the wheels are going to work, which gears are going to work.
The students are provided with Vex kits, which contain all the necessary parts to build their robot.
The building and the creativity is very free-form, so they're not following a protocol that the instructor is laying out for them. So with our 9 teams, we ended up with 9 very different robots.
I thought they were just going to give us some parts and say, okay, here's how you build it. But instead they say, okay, build a robot. And at first you're kind of like, oh, wait, what? But then as you start trying new things, you learn that this works, this doesn't. And it's just a really great process, and it really helped a lot.
Building the robot was fun because you get to interact with other people and communicate.
Once the robot is complete, the students must program it to move and lift objects.
I didn't think we'd be really programming, which was really cool because I never really done that before.
The hardest part was programming the robot to do certain things. There's a lot of different codes we had to use.
It could get a little frustrating, but it was really fun. It was really fun to figure it out.
So, why join the GCC Summer Robotics?
Schools nowadays mostly focus on academic-based knowledge, so kids don't really have the ability to get that hands-on experience. It also lets them know, is this something I want to do for my future, or is it something I definitely don't want to do? So it's a great way to guide them into their future careers.
Yeah, I came not knowing anything. I had just taken one course in robotics. Whether you like robotics or not, I wasn't a huge fan of robotics. I thought, oh, it's cool, it's interesting. And when I came out, I loved it. I kind of wanted to build a robot of my own.
My friends encouraged me to come to this program because at school I'm a shy person, and this program has showed me how to communicate with people and stuff.
I wasn't gonna apply, but my cousin really encouraged me. I think it's a really fun experience. A lot of the kids are really friendly, and you learn a lot of new skills here.
She had a blast. She had an absolute blast. She'd come home pumped every day afterwards and just be excited about it and say, well, we did this and we did that. We had to change this, and the last minute we were able to get this together, and it worked. So, it was great.
We had a number of parents that said things like, this experience made their child's summer. The overarching goal for the program designers was to give students an empowering experience. I think there's a lot of people who have curiosities about how do the things around us work, and how is it that a human, an engineer, can use math, use physics, and use technology to solve problems for people. Experimenting, being creative, trying things is how this is done, and that they could have an experience, a sense of victory in their minds that empowered them to dig into this deeper. And it's just fun.